Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now bring the mind on the right hand. Bring the mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms. Place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. We'll share our experiences, and if you have any question, I will try my best to answer. How are you, Charlie?
Hello, Girish. I am well. I found myself thinking two things. The first one was, I wonder what everyone's cars look like, and then I thought, oh, that's the mind. But then when I let myself be in this space, I felt I wanted to be with myself, let myself be known. That's kind of what came up. I like that.
There is a calmness,
Yes.
softness, kindness. It comes from within. Now, I've been so kind to you. That is not being kind. So we get a glimpse. Wonderful. How are you, Sophie?
I'm very good. Thank you, Girish. I feel, I was very much withdrawn within.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
You see that when the mind goes within, that I want is minimized.
Mm-hmm.
Now just think. And it helps us to raise our level of awareness about home, about myself.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it doesn't come. Otherwise, the mind is always finding the objective solution of the subjective problem, which is not possible. You have not given me a cup of tea, that's why I'm unhappy. Unnecessary, unwanted stuff. You want to ask?
My mind said, I'm sorry. My mind said, oh, Girish mentioned that he was going to talk about selfish. And my mind said, I want to know what is selfish.
We'll understand that selfishness. You take more, you want to grab more, and you want to give less to this world outside. So that creates the me world. We will talk in detail. How are you, John?
Okay, good. I am amazed at how this seemed to have been only 10 minutes or something like that.
That's a deeper experience.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, we have been almost 30 minutes and you feel a sense of timelessness.
Yes.
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 That's a beautiful. Live into that state all the time. That is beautiful experience. How are you, Anne? Oh, we have two Annes. So Anne Hoffman, yes.
Okay. Yes, I felt there were things going on the side, so I think I could not. For some reason I didn't go as deep as I wanted to, but I feel better and more quiet at the
More
end
quiet.
than in the beginning.
Yeah. maybe you and John and living very close to each other, the virus of the mind of John has gone to your house. Do you understand what I said? He used to get upset with the fire station, and I still remember. Now, see, just I'm pointing out one thing that is very important to understand. Gradually, the time should come that my mind should not be impacted, affected, influenced, dictated by any situation, condition, person, event outside. That is the main goal. So it happens by practice, by understanding both. How are you, Meet?
I gave up trying
Yeah.
to understand, to make something. I gave up, and then I found peace.
That's good. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Something is
Yeah.
popping. Yeah, go ahead.
I try so hard in so many ways, and I just stopped.
You see that my master used to say that you pat your pet, a sense of kindness and the love flows out of you. At that moment, I want is not there.
Is
But you see, I want not there. You want to help someone. That is the concept of charity. No, I have a lot of money and I want to help you. Tell me. I receive a lot of emails, tell me in what way I should help you. Pay me $1 million. Do you dare? What are you talking about? You met a wrong person. We should, that is, by giving charity, I have a stronger I want. Do you see? That we should realize. That we should realize. So now, last point, that is understand. I invoke kindness. I invoke tolerance. I invoke love for others. That I want drops. It minimizes. It dissolves. So that is used as a tool to change the mind. Not to brag ourselves. Do you see? So that is one way. I'm so selfish and I'm not. That is what I told, that I want to grab more and give less. We'll talk about it. That is all for today. We'll meet next week. Thank you. Thank you for tolerating. You have been tolerating, so you are already,
oh my